Assalamu alaikum. Computer quiz. Quiz number 1. Which of the following is not programming language? Laser C. Quiz number 2. The technical term not related to computer system. D. FIFO system. Foxpro is C. A computer language. Supercomputer was invented by J.H. Vastasi. Which of the following is not associated with computer? A. Franklin reaction. The special files of those are binary codes as used in computer sciences are codes made up of which of the following two numbers? 0 and 1. Bill Gates is more well known as the owner of Microsoft Corporation. D. Which of the following is the unit to express the memory of a computer? C. Byte. Which of the following characteristic is absent in computer, however it's sophisticated it may be? Intelligence. FORTRAN, a computer programming language, is used for scientific research. What is internet? B. Computer-based data bank and communication hub. Which of the following Which was the first company in the world to manufacture computers for commercial use? Remington. A. By what name the international computer giant IBM was known before the year 1924? C. Computer Tabulating and Recording Company. Which of the following computers was the first to use the concept of stored program? A. Mark I. Which company was the first to distribute mouse as a standard component with personal computer? Apple Computer. Which Intel microprocessor started the PC revolution? D. 8088. Intel is the largest manufacturer of microprocessor. What does the Intel stand for? integrated electronics. Computing power is measured in MIPS. What does the letters in it stand for? C. Million instructions per second. Till date, how many generations of our computers have been developed? C. A single worksheet contains 256 columns. PC personal computer was originally a trade name of IBM. GW Basic is one of the earlier version of Basic. What does the GW stand for? GWiz. In 1971, he put together all elements of a processor on a single chip slightly larger than 1 square inch. The result of his effort was the Intel 4004, the world's first commercially available microprocessor. Who was he? Dr. Ted Toff. Quiz number 25 last. The power of supercomputer is measured in terms of D. Floating point operation per second. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.